Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers na patuloy pong sumusuporta sa ating channel. Gayun din po sa mga bago lang dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbisita. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button na rin po para pag may mga bago tayong videos ay updated po kayo. Meron po tayong good news ngayon para sa ating mga kababayan na nasa Pilipinas na nagnanais na makapunta dito sa Canada. Kung kayo po ay interested at pangarap niyo pong makapunta dito sa Canada, meron po tayong updated job hiring ngayon at mayroon po mga job positions po na may mga interviews po at sana panoorin niyo po ang video na to kung interested po kayo. Malay nyo po, isa po kayo sa mapili ng mga Canadian employers na ma-hire at ma-fill up yung position na kanilang hinahanap. Here we go. Ito po ay sa agency na Industrial Personnel and Management Services or IPAMS. Hinahanap po nila dito ay Food Service Supervisor. So mag-apply po kayo dito until November 9, 2021. At ang qualification po na hinahanap nila dito, at least 18 years above, 3 years experience sa multinational fast food chain, at least high school graduate, at ito po ay no placement fee, puntang Quebec. Heavy equipment mechanic, ito po ay hiring din same agency sa Industrial Personnel and Management Services. Ang kanilang qualification na hinahanap po ay at least 18 years above, meron po dapat na 4 years experience, at least high school graduate, and ability to communicate in English. No placement fee rin po. At the same location sa Quebec din po. Upholstery sa First Dynamic Personal Resources Incorporated. Ito po ay open until November 6, 2021. Ang kanilang qualification po at least 18 years above. At least meron po kayo vocational diploma or short course certificate, 5 years experience, at ito po ay papuntang Quebec din. Sheet metal worker, ito po ay open until November 6, 2021, at meron po silang interview until December 17. So, ang qualification po na kanilang hinahanap at least 18 years above, at the same location din po sa Quebec. 5 years experience dapat sa position na to. Graduate po kayo ng 4-year undergraduate course. So, kung kayo po ay nagtrabaho sa Japan at meron po kayong certificate na JIT-CO or OTIT certificate, at least high school graduate lang po ang hinahanap nila. At ito rin po ay no placement fee. And another job position naman po ay GTAW and GMAW aluminum welder. Apply po kayo until November 3, 2021. At least 18 years above and mayroon po kayong 5-year experience. At same location din po, ito po ay sa Quebec. At least graduate of 4-year undergraduate course. Kung kayo po ay trabaho kayo sa Japan at meron po kayong certificate na TITC certificate from Japan, ang hinahanap po nila dito ay at least high school graduate lang po. At meron din po itong interview until December 31, 2021. Auto mechanic technician, ito po ay sa First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. Mag-apply po kayo dito until October 29, 2021. At ang qualification po na kanilang hinahanap dito, at least 18 years above, meron pong experience na 5-year experience, at meron po kayo dapat na vocational diploma or short course certificate. At ito naman po ay mabibase sa Ontario. Bindery Machine Operator. Ito po ay sa Magsaysay Global Services Incorporated. Apply until October 28, 2021. At ito po ay mabibase sa Manitoba. 3 years experience. May bachelor degree po kayo or college degree holder in computer science or information technology or similar fields. At meron po kayo dapat dito na valid na CELPIP result. Ito po ay no placement fee. Butcher or meat cutter. Apply until October 28, 2021 sa Magsaysay Global Services Incorporated na agency po ito. At mabibase din po ito sa Manitoba. Dapat po meron po kayo ditong valid passport at valid IELTS. At least meron po kayong 5-year experience and at least high school graduate. At ito po ay no placement fee rin. Swine technician. Apply until October 28, 2021 sa Magsaysay Global Services Incorporated. So, ang qualification po dito, at least 3 years experience, at least bachelor's degree or college degree holder in agriculture or similar fields, valid na CELPIP or IELTS certificate. At ito po ay no placement fee rin. Mabibase naman po ito sa Manitoba. Industrial butcher or kill floor. Apply until October 27, 2021. At ito po ay sa agency na MEC, International Manpower Resources Incorporated. So at least 18 years old above. Meron po kayong experience na 3 years experience. At least meron po kayong passport na 5 years validity. At meron din po kayo dapat na IELTS certificate with overall band score 4.5. At least graduate po kayo ng 4-year undergraduate course, cabinet maker. Apply until October 22, 2021. First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. Ito po ay mabibase sa Quebec. At least meron po kayo dito dapat na 5 years experience, vocational diploma or short course certificate. Woodworking machine operator sa First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. Ito po ay mabibase sa Quebec at open po ito until October 22, 2021. So at least meron po kayong 5 years experience, vocational diploma or short course certificate. At ito po ay no placement fee. Wood machine operator. Apply until October 22, 2021 sa First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. At ito po ay mabibase sa Quebec. So, ang hinahanap po nila ditong qualification, at least meron po kayong 5 years experience, meron po kayong vocational diploma or short course certificate or similar fields. At ito po ay no placement fee rin. So, kung mayroon po kayong experience in manufacturing, it's an asset po yun. Flexographic machine operators, plastic. Open until October 22, 2021 sa First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. Qualification at least, meron po kayong 5 years experience, graduate of 4-year undergraduate course. Ito po ay mabibase sa Quebec at no placement fee rin po itong position na to. Articulated truck drivers. Apply until October 21, 2021 sa Magsaysay Global Services Incorporated. At least meron po kayo dapat dito na 3 years experience, diploma or short course certificate holder in agriculture or similar fields, experience as long haul or trainer driver in the international scene or abroad. Ito po ay no placement fee rin. Ito namang position na to ay mabibase sa Manitoba. Wood gluer. Apply until October 21, 2021 sa First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. At least meron po kayo dito dapat na 5 years experience, vocational diploma or short course certificate holder in others or personal services and building or ground service, protective services and management, textile design and production or similar fields. Experience in manufacturing section is an asset. At ito po ay no placement fee rin. Industrial butcher. Apply until October 21, 2021 sa First Dynamic Personnel Resources Incorporated. At least meron po kayong 5 years experience. Meron po kayong vocational diploma or short course certificate holder in agriculture, economics, engineering, industrial, food and beverage preparation, service management, personal service, and building grounds services or similar fields. Meron po kayong test the certificate of 4 consecutive trainings at kailangan po dito ng IELTS General Test. Ito po ay no placement fee. So sana po sa mga kababayan po natin na interested po na makapunta dito sa Canada, i-grab nyo po ang opportunity na to. Baka po sakali isa kayo sa mapili na mga applicants na makapunta dito sa Canada. So try nyo po, i-grab nyo ang opportunity na to. Huwag nyo pong palampasin at habang may time pa po kayo. Sana po one day makapunta kayo dito sa Canada at sana po one day isa po sa inyo ay matulungan natin na makapunta dito sa Canada sa pamamagitan po ng ating channel. Makapagbigay po tayo ng mga information sa mga gustong pumunta dito sa Canada, mapa nasa Pilipinas man kayo or nasa ibang bansa. So maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button na rin po para pag may mga bago tayong videos ay updated po kayo. Maraming salamat po. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Good night.